Hi everyone, my name is Michael Bailey and welcome to my course Deploying Applications with TeamCity. I'm a software consultant at InfoJolt. Manually deploying code is generally accepted as a bad idea. Deployments are error-prone, time-consuming, and cause issues when you want to scale. TeamCity is a general-purpose solution for automating continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines, eliminating the need for manual deployments. In this course, we're going to learn how to automate the deployment of applications using TeamCity. Some of the major topics we will cover include connecting build configurations with dependencies, deploying software using build configurations, triggering deployments, and adding a staging environment and automated tests. By the end of this course, you'll know how to create an automated release pipeline, taking software from source control to being deployed to a production environment. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the basics of TeamCity, such as how to install the TeamCity server and how to create a new build configuration. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn about TeamCity with the Deploying Applications with TeamCity course at Pluralsight.